Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, recording in February 2025 from Union Square in New York. I'm staying at the Hyatt Union Square, and here at Union Square, you could see Whole Foods, Burlington, Sephora, Capital One Cafe, City, many other vendors, some interesting art on the building, maybe a lollipop. A little bit windy today, a little bit chilly in the mid 20s Fahrenheit. You can see vendors selling scarves and hats. You can see chess players. Looks like a backgammon board. Chess players with some clocks. So perhaps some more intermediate or serious players. Many vendors on this side. A lot for sale, clothing, hats, gloves, and more. Down to the subway. I see people cleaning, some security in the area as well, which is good. Walking towards the center, up some stairs, you can see a very large statue of a man on a horse. Maybe George Washington, maybe not. You can see the front of it from here and a better portrait to the side. So it looks like a bit of a park area, as there are many places to sit, many people, some pets, some dogs barking off to the side here. So people walking, pets welcome to Union Square sign, park amenities, green market, explore, a premier destination for food and trees. You could see some of the leaves, but they're mostly dead at this time in the winter. Large flagpole on this side. Two flags, the U.S. flag and the prisoners of war missing in action. Some more statues on this side or the back side of it. More shops to the right. Dunkin Donuts for those with American Express Gold card credits. A Panera is also on the way, so I will be there for the Sip Club for sure. It seems like some more decorations at the base of this flag. Countrymen, precious blessings. It's a little bit faded, but you get a good view of Union Square just walking through. Looks like a playground area. Learn today, lead tomorrow is one of the signs. Globe, maybe they're climbing. It's quite cold, but some exercise outside for sure. More of a play area, including a rock wall and some slides. Still some ice or snow on the ground. And another statue. This one looks like Abraham Lincoln. Could be wrong. I don't see a hat. He's known for the iconic hat, but don't see it there. It looks like him. Washington before, and then Lincoln. Wrapping up here in Union Square, New York. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.